Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Madeline Elmido, 46 years old, undergraduate of Business Management course, mother of 3 from Cordon Isabela. I am second among the 6 children in the family.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience is 4 years and 5 months in one employer as a household worker in Saudi Arabia. I am serving 6 members in the family. My duties are maintaining cleanliness of the house, laundry the dirty clothes, ironing, running errands, and basic cooking. I've been working also in Hong Kong, serving the 3 members in the family, taking care of the toddlers and infants.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I keep monitoring the temperature of the children and inform the mother of the children that their children are sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and can work without supervision by developing self-discipline, motivation, and strong understanding of the role and responsibilities.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For professional growth, personal development, and learning new experience.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My family.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
The first is I will pray, then make busy myself to work and improve the new skill and make it better.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I wake up early 5 in the morning, then at night 10 p.m. after the complete work.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so far active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Being patient, understanding, and provide them nursery activities to make them busy.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling a lie, no, Papa.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Sir and Madam, I am hoping that you will give me a big chance to work in your family as a trusted household helper.
Okay.